Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How y'all doing today? It is Monday, June 21st of 2021. And we're back. It's auto update Monday as we do. Oh, I forgot to do this thing. Pre-commit. Setting the today message. No, that's the wrong emote. Auto update Monday, and then maybe working on Babi. We haven't worked on the text editor in a while. AngelinaX reminded me of a bug that's kind of annoying that I've run into a couple of times, so we might take a look at that and see if we can fix it. JJMC, hello, hello. D-Dels was first today. Keller Marku, good to see you. Fixter Jake, how's it going? Hello, hello. All right. But I guess we get started with the graphs first. You know, it's graph Monday, graph day. Tofu's here. You're in a dangerous spot, Tofu. She is chewing on a ball right near one of the wheels of my chair. And I gotta be careful to not move the chair, because I ran over her little toe once, and she was very not happy about that. So I gotta make sure I don't do that again. Although her response may have been disproportionate, but anyway. Diablo Servu, hello, hello. Good to see you. Let's see. So usually we go to CloudWatch, and we got a fancy dashboard for auto update day. Should have been a smaller update today because although we got the normal 2 spikes. This is an interesting pattern. Haven't seen that pattern before. Wow, we got something in dead letter. Dang it. Well, that's annoying. But yeah, auto update starts there and ends here, which looks about right. Fixer Jake says, was curious about something with pre-commit. What is the intended behavior for stashing changes so the hooks don't run against them when only staging specific files? So it should unstash everything except for the staged contents. Anything that was checked in. So if you have files that have never been part of the index, like get ignored things, it will leave those alone. But anything that you know shows up in get diff, those will be that diff will be eliminated. The intention being that you lint the stuff that you're trying to check in, and only the stuff you're trying to check in. Otherwise, you're either potentially committing stuff that isn't being vetted, or you're vetting stuff that isn't being committed. Either of which causes problems with false positives and false negatives for both of those situations. Wow, we had 2,500 in queued this week. That's like 300 more than last week. That's kind of nuts. Yeah, I wonder if there's a way that I can solve this backup better. Because we seem to see this every week. I wonder if I delay. No. So I don't know that delaying the scale down, because the scale up seems about right. I don't know. It might just have to be that way. This is weird. We haven't seen this before. I don't know what this is about. I guess like a lot of stuff in the tail end. Maybe this is the new user that got added. Oh, I don't know. They ran into issues with some modified files not being stashed and then some new files not getting stashed. We'll try to get you some logs, clarify. New but not staged. Okay, yeah, new but not staged, those won't be touched. Those will always be left around. Modified files should always be stashed. Shouldn't be an issue there, unless you're using get commit-a. But yeah, okay, so we have to look at the dead letter. Where's SQS? Not there. Okay. Where it was, and it's not alphabetized, so it's not useful. Alright, what do we got in dead letter? It's probably another deleted user, if I had to guess. Send and receive messages. Pull this one. Yeah, that sounds like a banned user. Yep, sure enough. Okay, so let's delete them from Dynamo. I don't have a better way to do this at the moment. I really need to make this better and less manual. What are you growling at? What are you? Is there a spooder up there? I was just growling at the wall. Yeah, there's a spider web there. It's not a spider. It's only moving because of the air conditioner, Tofu. Silly puppy. Joe Crawl it deleted user. Yeah, there you go. Falcano, hello. Missed your last stream since I was attending a wedding. Oh, can't stay too long today because I'm cooking at 90-degree heat. Holy shit. Also wanted to let you know that Nintendo recently made a game for the Switch with very basic game development lessons and free building. Oh, that's kind of cool. Fix Jake says, figured new would cause that, but most were modified files. Ended just manually stashing, not a huge deal. Figured it wasn't intended. Yeah, that seems weird. That's also like some of the most tested code in pre-commit, so I'd be surprised if you found something broken with it after all this time. But yeah, let me know if you can get more information and I'll take a look at that. So installs, what was the user? Jerome. Query. Grab your install ID. Oh, we should also take a look at their... let's see, install user. Let's see what they tried to do. See if they successfully tried to run some crypto bullshit. Wait, what? That didn't redirect properly. What? This is supposed to be GitHub. Wait a minute. What happened there? Is this redirect broken? Wait, it worked that time. What the fuck? Oh, did I type the word user there? Was that my fault? Alright, well. Error, 2 errors, so they didn't get anything. Probably no config file for both of them. Yeah, that's what I figured. I typed user? Okay. It's been a long day. Fix Jake says, I'll pay more attention next time, see if it's something I did. It was like 6 p.m, so I was really ready to finish for the... Oh, I see. Yilsor says, do you think the Bay Area tech cluster is kind of dying because of COVID? I know a lot of people moved out of the Bay Area, myself included, by the end of the week, assuming everything goes well. Which, U-Haul called me today, and they're like, you might have to drive 200 miles to pick up your U-Haul, and I'm like, excuse me, what? So... yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. Which, I don't really have a good way to drive 200 fucking miles. Everything sucks, but I don't know. We'll see what happens there. Oh no, yeah. AIM88 says, how do you make money as an open source developer? Is this a trick question? Just generally you don't. Oh, that checkmark makes me concerned. Whatever. Actions, delete, yes, goodbye. And then purge this queue. Where's the purge button? There it is. Too lazy to type the word purge. Goodbye. Like, get your bike, it'll fit in the truck on the way back. Yeah. Let me just bike 200 miles. Oh, how long would that take? That would take 10 plus hours. Yeah, that's not gonna happen. That's take a while. Hey, what's up, Java Virtual Machine? How you doing? Good to see you. By working full time, yeah, there's the answer, Fixer Jake. Mark who says, you can make money in open source by working at a company like Databricks, but it kind of defeats the purpose. Yeah, kind of. Okay, let's look at the metrics as well to see how those did during auto update. So we got a queue spike up to 3 minutes and one up to a minute and a half. That's not bad. It's probably driven by this prepare error duration. 200 seconds is weird though. Maybe... What? Oh, you got your stupid ball stuck under the thing. God damn it, Tofu. No, you're just gonna have to deal. You're just gonna have to deal, honey. Anything in Uber to pick up a U-Haul? I mean, the original place I booked at was in walking distance. That was the reason that I booked it at the place that was in walking distance, so that I could walk there. But they've already rescheduled me to one that's 30 miles away or 20 miles away. 20 miles away? 10 miles away, something like that. Which like wouldn't be the worst. I would bike to that one. But any further than that, yeah, I'm gonna take a Lyft or an Uber to get there, which is kind of suck. John Virtual Machine says, can I upload my website to the web for free? Yeah. Depends on what your website does. If your website is static, you can host it entirely out of GitHub Pages. Oh, I just realized that I'm not RTX voice. So you're hearing my air conditioner. Didn't you guys tell me my sound sounded like garbage? I'm not blaming it on you. Spencer says I can finally. Oh, first vaccination. Nice. That's good. That's good. DL says DL says I sure hope they're continually knocking down your price as well. Lots of people move from California. Yeah, they're not. It's the same price. Still. It has front end and back end in Java, also MySQL database. I think you're gonna have a hard time finding something for free that has all those things. For whatever reason, relational stores seem to be pretty expensive in cloud in general. Yeah, so I don't know how you're gonna do that. If you didn't have a relational store, you could maybe pull AWS with free tier a little bit. Pay like a few bucks a month for virtual server, just have to manage it yourself. Yeah, that's true, it's true. Pain 2K says, how much is one part of your keyboard? I don't think you can buy them in separate parts. Also, they're connected by this wire here. I don't know. I don't know the answer, Pain 2K. I've not tried to buy half of a keyboard. That would be pretty funny though. It's literally a 50% keyboard. Good luck typing the other half. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it looks like Q was a little elevated there, but mostly fine. Oh, we had some requeues. Interesting. Interesting. I wonder why. Requeues usually mean that there's an error somewhere. But if it retried and succeeded, then fuck it, whatever. I guess that's why we have retries. I don't know. If there's a lot of requeues, it triggers an alarm. So, I just think so. Or is it? Do I not have a requeue alarm? Oh, I don't have a requeue alarm. I should maybe add a requeue alarm. Requeue. What if only one half breaks and the other one works fine? I think the whole keyboard is bricked if one half breaks. Well, actually, I think if the left half was disconnected, the right half would still work. But if the right half breaks, I think you're shit out of luck. If it breaks, get an Ergodox or a Moonlighter. I think I would just use my other keyboard. I think I would just go back to using the code keyboard. Coder Snacks has subscribed at tier 2 Thank you for the resub at 2 months. I would just use this keyboard. If this pro. I appreciate your continued support. How have you been? Coder Snacks, also a streamer. Um, but yeah, how's it going? Hello, hello. Yeah, I should add that alarm. Should we do that alarm? Do you want to do that alarm now? Let's see. Do I have other ways? No, I don't need the alarm. I don't need the alarm because this alarm captures it. Also, it's really annoying. These columns are just like slightly too short. Yeah, this alarm should cover the retries. Because if it retries too many times, it'll end up in the dead letter queue, which is fine. Neil Sir says, how does Stripe deal with this back to office hype coming from some companies? So, Stripe has like very specific. I mean, I haven't been paying super close attention, admittedly, because I don't care. Stripe has like very specific guidelines about when to return to office and when that's acceptable. They've like outlined particular, you know, per capita case counts and other stuff like that. But for the SF office, they're not planning to reopen until I think 2021. Partially because they have rented, so they're moving offices, and the new office isn't ready, and the old office is rented out to a summer school. Hi, Priest. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But yeah, kind of hard to go back to the office when someone else is in it, or it doesn't exist yet. But yeah, that's what's happening there. Curtis Next says, I'm thinking of getting a new keyboard, perhaps a split one like yours. Oh, that's cool. This is a very if you're thinking of getting a split keyboard, this is a very, very easy one. Like I had to do very little adjustment to be able to use this. Okay, Tofu, fine. You grumpy little dog. All right, I'll get your ball. Why can't you play with this ball? Here. Tofu? It's not even there. Where'd you lose it? What? What? Where's your ball, Tofu? It's not under there. Unless I just totally missed it. Yeah, no, it's not under there, Tofu. Where did you lose your ball? Did you lose your ball, little puppy? Do I say hi to the camera? Do I say hi to the camera, Tofu? Here's the little puppy that thinks she lost her ball under the desk, but I don't see it under there, so don't know what you did. Don't know where it went, but it's not under there. You're a handful, Tofu. But I guess today's the last day that I'm gonna hang out with, which is fun to say. Oh, look at Cried Stream. No. Oh, Tofu. um, let's see. Is your office requiring vaccines? I don't think they can, but I think the answer is no. My company just announced 30% capacity. Sleep. Oh, I feel like that's a little aggressive. Also, I'm like kind of concerned about the Delta variant of COVID. Like it's still yet to be said whether that's gonna have similar virality to the first strain. So I don't know. I'm concerned. 50% Fixer Jake says, I'm doing everything I can to never go in, but if it gets denied, I'll be out of here soon. Yeah, that makes sense. Aiden says, have you heard about Fidel API? I have not. You'll be fully remote then? Yes. Yes, indeed. Roller says, I saw news. Ow! I saw a news article that employees are giving up to 10% salary to move out of the Bay Area. Hey, how's it going, Rollers? Good to see you. Yeah, Stripe has a relocation bonus, which I didn't know about, but I guess like tiny plus. um, Mine's following the CDC guidelines for if you're vaccinated, you get to be mask free in the office. Unvaccinated requires mask, but the common area of the building, our company's only one part of the office, will still always require masks. Yeah, that makes sense. Thumb says, get an Ergodox or a Moonlander as a split. It's programmable and the switches are user replaceable, so if you ever want to change anything about them. Yeah. The thing is, I find the Moonlander to be I tried to type on Jordan's and did he ever do the pizza oven thing with that? Did I miss that? Did I just miss that video? I tried to type on Jordan's and like it was really fucking hard. Where this keyboard is super easy to type on, like super easy to type on. Dino says look closer. Yeah, Tofu's down there looking for the ball again. With enough effort, I'm sure you'll find. Yeah, I gotta find it at some point. You can't just live in my room forever. But yeah. Similar to my school, that's what they proposed, but the governor said public schools cannot have any requirements to vaccination. Oh, that's so shitty. There's a new variant? Yeah. COVID-19 Delta variant. Yeah. So this was the one that was highly contagious in India and then also found in the UK. And apparently has already reached 74 countries. 43 to 90% more transmissible. And 30 to 100% more infectious, which is not great. Also, it affects young people and more severe symptoms. Also, the vaccinations are not as effective against it. So, yeah. Basically, I'm pretty concerned. Icy Chris, thank you for the raid. Welcome, Raiders. Well, welcome, Raider. How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. 30% is max, is 20% prior to last week. Oh, that makes sense. Makes sense. Remate whatever capacity ends it from everyone at our 3 major offices in at least 2 days a week. Oh, interesting. 10% is probably worth saving money moving out of the Bay Area. Oh, yeah. So I think the way Stripes works is it's like a 9.09% salary reduction. And then there's a one-time moving stipend or something like that. Pixie Chris, thank you for the follow. And Aimniac, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Give it a look. Fidel API or hiring. I don't know that I would be able to work here because I work at Stripe right now. I think this would be conflict of interest. If I had to guess. Recruiters are everywhere. Yeah. Tom Marker says our puppy puts the ball under the bed and then growls until you get it friend. Yeah, that's what Tofu's doing right now. But if you don't, then eventually he'll just get in there himself and get it. Oh, Tofu can't fit under the desk, so yeah, she's just shit out of luck. Delta variant sounds like the end. Yeah, it'll be pretty bad. Is it in the US yet? Yes, it is. 79% still higher than the vast majority of vaccines. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Timar says Delta makes up 95% of cases in the UK. Whoa. Yeah, I'm. I don't know. What the actual fucking worst case is it mutates again, and then we're And then we're back to square one. That would suck. Well, also, I don't know. I'm not confident that the vaccination rate in the US, like what is it right now? 50, 60%? Yeah, what I know. I grossly overestimated. 45%. Is there like partial vaccination amount? At least one dose is 54%. It's still not very good. That's pretty bad. Um, just from knowing about exponential algorithms and how the 50-50 coin flip works. Yeah, that's concerning. And especially if a new, more virulent strain is about. You do have to remember that 15% of, I guess that's true. 15% is ineligible due to age. Yeah, yeah. Winter will tell what we're actually up to. Concern. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Okay. Um. Well, I said I was gonna work on my text editor, so I think we're gonna do that. It has been a while. I don't remember quite what I was working on last time. Um. Oops. But what I want to take a look at today is there is another case where Babby hangs forever. This is one case. Apparently AngelinaX has found that just 2 parentheses is enough to, yep. So it is stuck right now. And if I do, pkill Babby, you'll see the rest of the text that I typed is there. So there's definitely still a problem. I wonder if I do this and Babby textmate demo, does this also, oops, does this also hang? Because if this hangs, well, that doesn't make any sense. Why doesn't this hang? This should be literally the same thing. The fuck? Well, that makes no sense. This hangs. What? What the fuck? Kill dash int Babby. Maybe we'll get a stack trace. What? So why is that line type ignored? Yeah, wait, what? Why is this line type ignored? On my pie issue. Lazily instantiated LRU cache object does not call it. This was a dupe of this, which is probably still not fixed. Oh. Maybe this is fixed now. Hmm. What is the option here? Warn unused type ignores? Is that what it is? I've been meaning to add that to all of my projects. Maybe we'll do that instead. Although, kind of want to figure out why this is busted. Oh, that's type ignore is still used, so. Maybe it was something else. Set this file. Let's get rid of you and see what happens. Okay, so this is not applying? Unrecognized option. Okay, yeah, I have the wrong option. My pie worn unused. Worn unused. Hello? Worn unused configs. Worn unused ignores. Bleh. Yeah, so I kind of want to add that option to all of my projects. Yeah, Windows. The Windows thing happened. Indeed, indeed. Okay, so this is actually fixed now. We could do that. That would be a nice, easy thing to do. But it would be kind of a distraction from what I'm actually trying to do. What was the other one I wanted? Warn redundant casts. That one as well. Warn redundant casts equals true. Yeah, so I think I would find all my repos that set no implicit optional and add these two settings. I think I could do it with all repos set. What about the couple million who are cured? That's true. Tembar says UK is 65% single and 45% double dose. Ooh. DL says KC Metro provides vaccination data for a population over 18 years old, which is kind of what I'm currently used to track. Oh, nice, nice. Why does it get stuck like that? I don't know. Apparently, well, from what it looks like is there's a loop that happens here, which for some reason doesn't happen in the TextMate demo. And I don't know why, but we should be able to debug it. My guess is there's some logic bug, but it's been around for a really, really long time. Hey, what's up, Progressive Chat? Hello, hello. Good to see you. The server says, I started on the language-specific tab size stuff in Babi Grammars back in December, but did not continue. Yeah. When the error doesn't do the same thing to... Yeah, I'm not sure why... Yeah. Anyway. Okay, what do you want to see, chat? Do you want to see me debug this, or do you want to see me improve type checking in all of my repos? Which one do you want? I mean, we can do a poll. I rarely do polls. Let's see. What do type checking improvements or Babby highlight boog improvements? Well, it just says improvement. We'll give you a minute to vote. And I'll let you vote with bits and channel points if you really want to. Colin Mercury says, do you know where I could learn advanced Git topics from? I mean, I make a lot of videos on fairly advanced Git topics, but it depends what you want to learn. Gandalf's Plan B. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Depends what you're wanting to learn, like what you're looking to get out of stuff, but I don't know, I do some fairly, bisect is fairly advanced. I mean, all of these are not always. I mean, reflog, editing git commits. I'm surprised I made a video about cherry pick. Don't use git add dot. I don't know. There's a fair number of git videos in here. But it depends on what you're trying to learn. Aim says, what stack do you use at Stripe? So most of the service code is written in Ruby. Oh, looks like we're working on the Babby highlight, but we got 21 votes for that. DDL stuffed the ballot with 6 votes, it looks like. And Twitter Snacks stuffed the ballot with 5 bits. Thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. I really want to learn how sub modules work. They're basically... Didn't I do a video on sub modules? Did I not? I could have sworn that I did. Sub modules. Yeah, I did a video on sub modules, so I kind of explain how they work. They're basically a text file that or a virtual text file that points at a revision and a little bit of metadata in the get modules file. But yeah, I think I go over them fairly well in that repo or in that video. So I'm gonna, despite that being a positive change, we're gonna ignore that for now. Okay, so this works for some reason, but actually opening the text editor does not. Oh, why is there an extra new line there? What? 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 Highlight output. Actually, does it do that for everything? Is there another file here? What's t2.py? Oh yeah, this hacky shit. Maybe text me demo t2.py. Do you have an extra new line at the top? You do. That must be intentional. But where is the intentional blank line? Highlight output. Oh, it's this line here. Yeah. So, is that supposed to be a blank? What happens if we make it not a blank line? What does this do? Oh. Why don't we? Oh, I see why. Because the first line gets fucked up. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay, so why is this different than the other code? So let's look at that. Babi HL syntax. Okay, so this is the highlighter cache. Okay, so interestingly, we call highlight line here, but we call self dot under HL here. Which my guess is this caches the compiler. State line, first line is a. Okay, so that looks relatively same. Let's see what this HL function does. That's different. Oh, optional callable. This will be assigned an LRE cache once. Okay, so it calls this HL uncached. What the fuck is going on here? Oh. Is that the same? Yeah, this should be the same. This should literally be the same. Nothing about this makes sense. Um. What is the fucking file called? Highlights. Let's put a print here. Just to see what this does. Oh. What? wait, this thing's recursive, isn't it? Well, if I remember correctly, state is a big ol' object, so this is gonna be unreadable. Oh no! Blank line is a figment of your imagination, yeah. That's usually where the babi header sits. That's true. That's true. So this is the... That's very strange. It's very strange that there is 2 calls here. Also that it's inside this weird stack here. This must be where the recursion detection happens. So why doesn't the recursion detection happen in the other one? Is the question. Oh. The other thing that's really annoying about debugging this is, well, I can just show you, I guess. Testing, debug babi, t.sh. I have to do this weird debugging thing here. Oh, that's new. So HL is none. Okay. States is empty list. Root state. Okay, that looks good. States is 0. IDX is 2. What are the 2 lines? Should have the first line and the second line. Should be only 1 line. Yeah, there's only... Oh, it's until 2. Okay, that makes sense. So it'll do 0 and 1. Okay. Oh. Is it... Is it somehow the cache? No, it shouldn't be the cache. Cutter Snack says, "Look on my bike. Sounds good. Sounds good. Well, thank you for stepping by." Okay, so we're in HL uncached. We have line and first line, which is true. Well, we should put the new line on it. It should be the same. What? Why? So this is the line that hangs, presumably. Wait, no. It worked? Wait, it worked. Oh no. Why did it work? So is it fine highlighting that line? It's just not fine highlighting the next line? What? Okay, so it's erroring on the last line of the file. So in theory, if we add another new line here, and then babi text made demo, this should hang now. And it does. I wonder if it increases in memory over time too. No. Very efficiently does not. Okay. All right, so we have it reproducing in the easier to debug one. But it doesn't tell us why it's being a problem. We're gonna get fun colored output. So not the first one, but the second one. Oh, it's been a while since I know how this shit works. State.cur.boundary. Um, don't have while stack. This code is very complicated. Which is unfortunate. Okay. State.cur.rule. Pattern? What are you? You're an end rule. Oh, you have no pattern. Is this just a bug in the string.other.math.shell? This might be a bug in the actual grammar. Text mage. I think it's a bug in the grammar. But Babi should handle this better, probably. It's PowerShell. Shell script. Guess it's this one. We gotta fork this shit again? God damn it. I hate these. Grammars. Shell Unix bash. Well, this shit hasn't been updated in 3 years, so this is probably dead. No one else has looked at this. Okay. Let's look for string.other.math.shell. Oh, there is a pattern here. Oh, it's there. Okay. I see. Boomer says, "What's this about? Am I the only one? Are you a hacker?" No, you're not the only one. Hey, what's up, Sauce? How's it going? Good to see you. I could be a hacker, but I'm missing half of my hacker outfit. So we just have the sunglasses, because I already packed the rest of it. Okay, this is interesting though. We do have an end rule. So it's trying to find a parenthesis. And it also has patterns inside of it. So that's the interesting bit here. I forget how this shit works. Is it supposed to try the end? So what happens if we do search res? Search res is a whole bunch of stuff. So it finds more and more regions. It must be trying to match this and finding an empty string. Match somehow inside this math patterns. Math, which includes a whole bunch of other stuff. So which one of these is an empty string? Not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Not that one. This. Oh no, that's an escaped star. Uh huh. They are missing a backslash on this guy. Everyone fucking loves regex. Oh wait, this one is an empty string also. Oh no, this is a literal question mark. Okay. Yeah, I forgot backslash here. That says, Anthony, how can I avoid getting nerds time? It's literally impossible. Chris says regex is witchcraft. Yeah, I'm pretty certain that this is the bug. That right there. That there is the bug. Almost certainly. Almost certainly that is the bug. So, time to fork this shit. Also I'm pretty sure I'm blocked in the Atom the Atom org. Because because somebody I went to oh, I don't think I can fork it. Maybe I can. Yeah. But there's a workaround. You ready for this? I can fork it to an org. Oh, I can't fork it to an org. How did I do this before? Maybe my second account can fork it? Yeah, it's a really weird limitation of let's print. Of if you're blocked from contribution, you can't fork. But I have existing forks. I could manually create the repo. I think what I can do is I can fork on this account and then transfer it. This is such a stupid workaround. But I think it works. Can you fork a fork? Maybe. But I'm just gonna do this. I think this is gonna work. If it doesn't work, then we'll try forking fork. Oh, interesting. The number went up. Oh, probably because one of you in chat forked it. That would make sense. So we can do this. What did I do? Get banned? I made a one character space change, and then I didn't fill out the issue template. That's exactly what happened. Transfer. Should work. Did it work? Did it work, chat? No, it didn't. Interesting. Oh, maybe I need to accept? Oh yeah, I need to accept. Did it just delete it? Oh no, there we go. Fixed! Hacker man. That's so fucking stupid though. Why did it let me do that? We're not complaining, chat. Okay, so we gotta fix the math. Oh, I gotta click edit first. Kind of sounds like that shouldn't be allowed. Shh. Yeah, it definitely should not be allowed. I should not have been able to do that, but whatever, we out here. Okay. So, does that fix this? Oh, why am I committing in the thing? Oh, whatever. How does this actually work? Fix unescaped caret in math selection. I'm gonna make a patch branch. And I can't actually pull request upstream. I can only pull request my own stuff. Oh, this is so dumb. This is so dumb. Alright, commits. And copy. Alright, so let's try that. Battery granules. Maybe copy the regex into a solver? No, I understand the regex, Timbar. I know exactly what's going on. Dota says, imagine what I could have done last 2 hours without getting nerd stipes. Yeah. Imagine, right? Okay. This one. Change this to Asotilly. And this. We do 7 characters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's make our test first. Test data. Test. Do we have one? Source bash? Don't. Source bash.sh. Oh, we have to do this. Source bash.sh. Hold on, before we brick my editor, let me make sure this one works. This fails. Okay, that's cool. Kill baby. Could you not beg for forgiveness? Why would I beg? I don't need them. Hey, what's up, Stupid Bandito? Hello, hello. Oh, no snitches, yeah. My internet messed up. Why you blocked there? I was salty about having to fill out an issue template for a one character white space change. Will you get unbanned in the future? I doubt it. I don't know why they would. Zithris, hello, hello. Oh, god damn it. Did the chatbot really not notice this? Can you spell out the word use? You spell out the word you and try it again. Try asking it again, but with the word you. I just want to see if the bot matches that pattern or not. It will. There you go. There you go. Hey. It's literally so dumb. Yeah, I mean, that's the way things go. I'm so sick of fixing bug tickets, so many endless bug tickets. Yeah, it's how that works. Okay, so this should hang. Definitely does right now. Why didn't that hang? Where's my source bash? Oh. Okay. This should definitely hang, and it does. Okay, cool. And if we do bin download syntax only, // language shell script. Download. Let's actually do update as well. Make sure that. And re-download. And then reinstall. Future pip version will change local packages to be built in place without first copying. Why? That seems like a bad idea. Seems like a really bad idea. That seems like a real. Why would they do that? What benefit does this have? This seems like a bad idea. This just seems like it's going to cause a whole bunch of bugs. Yeah, this just seems like a bad idea. But whatever. It's gonna break a whole bunch of shit. And whatever. Yes! Oh, that was the bug. Oh, it feels fucking good. Alright, we fixed it, chat. That was much easier than I thought it was going to be. So it's actually source shell. Fix grammar error shell. So the interesting thing, chat. The interesting thing, chat. I can't make a pull request from this branch, but you know what? Any of you in chat can. Anyone can take this patch and create a pull request, but I can't. Isn't that funny? Okay, so forked shell script. Oh, it sorted this for me. Thank you, because I manually typed that wrong. Cool. Get commit dash m. Use forked shell script to unbreak infinite egg. Sick. Yeah, that's not your I'm barking because I'm barking. That's I'm barking because I'm antsy. What are you antsy about, Tofu? Sneaky puppy. Sorry about the noise. Timur says, "What is your words per minute at a guess?" On this keyboard, I can hit about 115. On my other keyboard, I can hit about 130. Fixing bugs without writing tests to stop regressions. Absolute chat. Yeah. Hey, what's up, MJ? How you doing? How you doing? Not adding the person who banned you. Yeah. I don't have time for that shit. I also don't really care. I have a workaround that works for now. Worst case, I make a new account. How many screens do you have? Asks Mimslade. This is my current setup. I'm gonna need to do a new photo when I move, because it will not be the same setup when I move. But this is currently what I have. Steve Medito says, I saw Stripes leave expensive area for 20k plus 10% pay cut deal that went public the other day. That's pretty neat. Yeah, I mean, that's what I'm doing. I didn't know that that was what the deal was, but it's fine with me. If I just fork your repo and submit the PR with you as the committer, I wonder what'll happen. Do it. Do it. I dare you, chat. Fucking make it happen. Tempar, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Somebody should do that. Just be funny. You don't use one of your other 3 accounts? Oh, I mean, that's how I forked it. Because it doesn't let me fork. So what I did is I forked it on another account and then transferred that into my account. Yeah, so I already cheesed this in one way. So I'm down to cheesing it in another way. It's kind of funny though. I don't think that qualifies for. I actually don't know why forking is disallowed, to be honest. Larocked and Lovely, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Always tough. It's quite the growl. Occam's Razor, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well as well. Doing good, thanks. When's the move? In theory on Friday. Or in theory on Saturday. But U-Haul is my wild card right now. We'll see what happens there. Tempar says, that was interesting watching your thought process fixing that bug. I mean, I kind of knew it was wrong. A little bit. Well, I had a feeling that something was wrong. That's when you're leaving? Yeah. Yeah, that's true. There is also the travel time, which is 36 hours of driving. Probably spread across 3 days? I have the truck for 7, so I have some leeway. What's wrong, Tofu? Why are you being so antsy? You crazy puppy. Why is this taking so long? Hey, what are you doing? Oh, it's done. It's just stuck finishing. Oh, there we go. Frequency I was done way before that. I'll take the day off to help you move in. I need day off. Sounds good, sounds good. Aaron says 36 hours of driving. Where are you moving to? I'm moving from California to Michigan. Spoofy boy. That's a cool name. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you are doing well. Okay, so merge that. And then we make a release. Tech with Isaac says, hey Anthony, kind of late to the stream. How you been doing? It's going well. It is going well. I wonder. I remember we fixed an infinite loop before. I'm trying to remember whether we added loop detection or whether we just fixed the grammar. Because if this like just fixing the grammar doesn't scale forever, you know. I'm not quite sure if I should continue doing it this way or if I should just See, the thing is, if I made it detect infinite loops and crapped out, then it wouldn't have I wouldn't fix these things. I don't know. I don't know. What am I doing? O.26. I'll just get PI password. Is that where your ball is stuck? She's now looking under the other thing. Scritching at it. You are a crazy puppy right now. What is going? You've had several walks today. How are you still crazy? WoW Dev QA. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Wait, did it work, D-Dolls? Oh my god. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. uh Also nice. The answer says, is it the lot that it finally comes home? Wait, what? What does that mean? MJ says, good luck with the move. We'll miss the frame drops when it gets hot out. Yeah, we're gonna have, in theory, better internet. WowDevQA says, blessed, hashtag WowDevQA, hashtag Nepal. Wow. 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 Get out from there. Just go up there. Are you trying to chomp the plushies? You were trying to chomp the plushies earlier. Silly puppy. They didn't. So that's DDELS created the pull request. I don't think they merged it yet. Yeah, they haven't merged it. And judging from their last commit and last time they've shush. Last time they reviewed changes, yeah, I kind of doubt that they're ever going to merge something. Yeah, it looks like the last time they reviewed something was in like 20. Well, actually, let's look at merge. Do you go outside? I'm gonna take her outside. So I'll be right back. That's super old. Hello? Upgrade, please. There we go. So now... That was not what I wanted. Pipit stalled Babby. Hold on, Tobu. One sec. Now I should be able to Babby T.sh. Sick! It works! Alright. Let me comment on this issue, and then we'll find something else to do when I get back. And fixing the shell script grammar. Bump to heavy grammar is greater than or equal to O.O.26. Sick. Alright, I'll be right back. Gonna let Topher out. I'll see you in a sec. She didn't want to go outside. I took her out. She just kind of ate tree matter and then whatever. So that didn't happen. Okay. So that's done. I don't know. We said we were gonna work on text editor. Let me see if there's other text editor things I can do. No, she wants to get in. Yeah, Tofu. In or out? Make up your mind. Mhm. Wait, come, 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 wait. Come here, Tofu. He's zoomy, but doesn't want to come in the room, so I'll just let her zoom around out there. Um, I don't know. I was never able to answer that one. Oh, that one's annoying to fix. That one I'm still not sure what's right or not. This one is annoying to fix. I don't think this is ever gonna happen. This should probably get fixed at some point. Oh, that one's hard to fix. This one is similar to this one. Oh, actually... This one's maybe easier to fix than that other one. This one. Oh, I still haven't fixed this one. I still haven't fixed wide characters. Oh my god. I don't want to work on that. Let's do the easy thing, which is the MyPy stuff that I want to do anyway. Let's do some all repos magic. All repos grab MyPy. Let's find all of our MyPys. That grab went real fast. Okay, so we're gonna ignore some stuff. Actually, let's do an all repos clone so that we're up to date. While Tofu Forks and me, are you gonna come in this time? Ah, I trapped you. Now you're in the room. I got Tofu with some zoomies. Huh? Hi, puppy. I tricked you. I tricked you, Tofu. I tricked you. You got wide, right? Right to him, made you too. Them thick characters. Thick characters. Um. Oh. Get him to send me an email. Hey, your fork token is using an outdated token format. Who gives a shit? It still works. I'll use it until it breaks, and then I'll switch. What? What? What, puppy? What? Oh, it's your dinner time. Oh, do you want food? Is that what you want? Okay, I'm gonna go feed. I'm gonna go feed Tofu while this pulls forever. I'll be right back. I'll go give her some food. That wasn't it either. I gave her food and she just kind of looked at me like, why did you give me food? Well, I'm not gonna eat that. But, bleh. What is happening here? Something is hanging. my internet down? No. It is trying to pull this repo. It is running this command, which is timing out. Seems fine to me. Well, we can kill that process. I don't know why that one failed. But all the others passed, so we should be good. Let's do that grep again. Grep. Alright, so are these all in setup.cfg is the first thing to look at. It looks like yes. Don't have any mypi.inies. Oh, we have these ones that we're gonna have to make sure to ignore. Okay, that looks good. So we're gonna grep out Yelp. And... oh. This doesn't include all prefix CI. Binary Wiz, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. We're gonna grep out PyTest. Yelp and PyTest. Does Tox not use MyPy? Interesting. All repos grab repos. Grep dash v. Yeah. Grab ev. eiv. I don't remember whether Yelp's capitalized or not, so we're just gonna do that. PyTest dev. Okay. Should be good. Timbar says banned from another repo. What? I didn't get banned from another repo. Should be fine. Okay, so assuming that all of those use the same setting in their setup.cfg, I should just be able to do all repos sed dry run message stricter mypi settings branch name mypi settings, and then we'll search for no implicit optional. What is the insert after? I think it's I and then text. Insert after matching line said. Oh, it's A. Is it A? Search space A. No implicit optional. A. Warn unused. Yours is true. Wat equals true. Why did the wat not go in there? Do I not need a blank string? Yeah, I do not need a blank string. Okay. Alright, so what are the options that I want? MyPy config. Okay, so we want warn unused ignore, so we want warn redundant casts. So we want a warn redundant casts equals true. Warn unused ignores equals true in setup.cfg. And then these repos. So it's defaulted to true. Ooh, warn unreachable. I think I already have code coverage, so I don't think I need this. Seems fine to add. Unreachable would be here. Warren unreachable. Dan Twack, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Just to try it on one repo. Let's just do pre-commit. See what that diff looks like. Unrecognized message. I think it's commit message. Yeah, there we go. That looks good. Warn redundant cast, warn unreachable, warn unused ignores. Those are the 3 settings that I want, right? Right? Hit apply. Should do verbose. Statement is unreachable. Oh man. Okay, maybe we don't use that setting. It doesn't know that pytest.raises can catch errors. Okay, so we're gonna skip out on warn unreachable. I think that one is not so useful for our code bases. It'd be nice if it worked, but I think that shows that it doesn't work. All right. That looks good. Let's remove this and then remove the dry run and then kick it off. And then get banned from GitHub. Yeah, what can go wrong? I also... Actually, let's do this on pre-commit CI first, just because it's smaller. Well, we can just do dry run first, see what it does. Should do it for all of them. Then we'll kick it off. See what happens. Move the dry run. Should get us a bunch of pull requests. Hey, what's up, where's Zach? Hello. Wish my compiler told me when a statement is unreachable. Yeah. Well, GCC does. MyPy does, but it's buggy, it looks like. Have you gotten banned from a platform? I was temporarily banned from GitHub once. And the reason for that was a script that I ran had unintended side effects. So this repository, watch please, is a thing that I cron repeatedly. The reasoning is here. Well, this is no longer true, but my previous employer used GitHub. And they had a lot of repositories, and I didn't want to watch them. And I unchecked this automatically watch repository setting, but that meant that my own repositories were no longer being watched. So I wrote a script to auto watch any repository that I owned, or I was a contributor on. And I got added to this GitHub organization, which has 13,000 repositories. And so I got added to this in the middle of the night. So I woke up and my email had like 10,000 unread emails. And I was like, what have I done? And it was because I had accidentally followed, at the time it was only 11,000, but I had accidentally followed all 11,000 repositories. And then I tried to log into GitHub, and I was banned from GitHub because I had followed too many repositories. But it was just a temporary ban. 6 hours later, while still getting a fucking fire hose of emails. Um, like 6 hours later, scripted I scripted removing myself from all of the repositories. Um, they can ban you for that apparently. I guess I was just like just under the API limits and just over the abuse threshold, which could happen. Um, but yeah, it was a little messy. Probably scary at the time. Yeah, well, I needed to get up for work, so I was literally like, "Well, hi, I can't do anything today because I'm banned from GitHub." Oh, Toby's barking again. What? What? Don't know what she's barking at. Well, yeah, maybe now she wants to go outside. Oh my god, she's driving me nuts. But yeah, I had to use GitHub at work, so I was like, well, get some shit out of luck today. Um, but yeah. Oh, cool. These are all ready to merge except for this one. Why aren't you ready to merge? Oh, because you're the runner image. Yeah, that makes sense. Practice party. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. Toes an indecisive B word. Literally. Tofu wants companionship. I offered her to let her come into the room, and she did not take me up on the offer. So that's on Tofu. That's not on me. That's Tofu's fault. Okay, we can merge all of these except for the one that's still building, and then we'll run it on all the other repos. I actually need to merge this one before we run it on the other repos, though, because otherwise it'll double count. Oh, I guess I could just grab. Yeah, I could just grab. We can use grep. Grep is a thing. So my contribution accounts are gonna look a little nuts today, but that's the way things go. What percentage of DDoS attacks are well-intentioned scripts with unintended consequences? Right? DDoS said I posted a pic of Suda precariously laying at my desk chair wheels. Oh no. Oh no. Cute. Yeah, Toby does this all the time. She doesn't learn. Doesn't learn. But there's Pseudo. Cute. Pseudo's favorite spot when I'm eating. Oh man. So I've figured out, for better or worse, that oh yeah, I'm gonna get comments on all these from wife deployed it to death. Yeah, that's why I gotta fix this. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna let her out again. I'll be right back. It's windy out, so she's just barking at the wind. Blah. Mustache says, "You have guidelines for continuing your repositories? I mean, if they're useful contributions, send them." Nothing specific, I guess. Just gonna ignore all of these, which means I need to go to my inbox and I can merge those two. Perfect. Show. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. Delete those. All right, so now we do it on everything else. Hopefully it goes well. What could go wrong? So quiet. Yeah, sorry I was gone for like full 7 minutes. Tofu had the she was walking around like she wanted to poop, but then just didn't, and instead barked at everything else. Oh, why didn't this one go? Oh, because my grep is aggressive. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. Jojamba, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you are doing well. So I expect some of these to fail, and that's good. So it'll mean that we're catching more stuff here. But we'll see as those go. Fortunately, the fails will be faster because they'll be through pre-commit CI and not through the other CI syntax. So we should see failures faster. Bork, indeed, Steve Obedito. Who has important things to bark at? Yeah, like the fucking wind. There was a guy walking by and Tofu was barking at nothing, and he's like, man, a corgi must be seeing something that we're not seeing. I'm like, yeah, there's ghosts here. 100%. We know Babby's going to fail, so there's at least one that we'll have to fix. But this should improve my standards of type checking ever so slightly. And check something off the list that I haven't done in a very, very long time. So, is it doing these in reverse order? What is it? What's the ordering here? Oh no, it's forward order. Oh my god, there's so many more to do. Shit. I thought we were gonna be close to done, but nope. This is gonna generate so many pull requests. Oh yeah, we got some fails already. So that's good. That's good. That's good. These ones don't have. What is Azure sample application? Oh, I don't know. I don't know, but we can start merging these ones that either have no tests or have passing tests already. We can go back and fix that one. Tofu just conked into my door. Goofy talk. I don't know why this doesn't have pre-commit set up on it. This was this was the sponsored stream that I did. Oh, I remember this. We never finished the code for it. Unsurprisingly. Prediction, how many? Oh, we could do prediction. Okay. Alright, we'll do a prediction. Let's see. How many CIs will fail? We're gonna do over and under, let's see, 10% would be about 7. And we've already shown a few of them. So let's do greater than or equal to 7. Or less than 7. How many CIs will fail? Yeah, start prediction. Alright, so I'm not gonna show anymore. We have one failing already. Gonna do over under 7. I'll give you a chance to bet on it. Cedar barks at the next door friends. We're trying to learn that friends are friends and shouldn't be barked. Yeah, Tofu, I don't think Tofu's smart enough to figure that out. Yeah. For sure should have bet channel points on that. Well, now you can bet channel points on it. Prediction on how long until GitHub bans? Yeah, right. We got a lot of people betting greater than or equal to 7. And not too many in the... I probably should have done greater than 7 and less than or equal to... Well, greater than. Wait. Less than 7. Wait. Should have known less than or equal to 7. I feel like 7 should have been included in the lower bunch, but whatever. It's too late for that. Alright. What is our prediction here? Oh my god. Coder Snacks is gonna be fucking rich if it's less than 7. Because the ratio is 156 to 1. Well, we'll see. So we already know there's 1. We already know there's 1. It's, I mean, Coder Snacks has got the faith, I guess, in my typing code. Up by 1 there, yeah. In retrospect, I should have thought a little bit more about it before I just pressed the button. That's what we've got so far. Uh-oh. 1, 2. Oh wait, I already merged this one. Oh no, it's not idempotent. Okay, this one doesn't count. So we're gonna close this one. This one doesn't count. That one doesn't count. Isn't my grep is not idempotent. I fucked up. What was the other one? I think this one is also not idempotent. And this is probably like duplicate setting. Yeah. So this one doesn't count either. Hey, what's up, Andrew X? Hello, hello. Thanks for reporting the bug or re-reporting the bug. I fixed it. Did you see I fixed it, Andrew X? Did you see I fixed it? I fixed it. Okay, those two don't count. All right, we got 1, 2, 3. 4. I think it's only 4. I think it's only 4. Well, it's possible the latter ones are not done yet. Let's click on the first one, see if it is run pre-commit yet. Yeah, it has. All right, so it looks like it's 4. 4 so far. I don't think. Well, we're really only worried about the MyPy stuff. It could fail for other stuff. Even if we include those 2 that I closed, it's still less than 7. KZ, how's it going? Here we go. How's it going? Just tune in. Turn in my notice of my current job. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. Y'all's bamboozled. I mean, we can give it a little bit longer to see if more is going to fail, but the things that were going to fail have already failed, which is the MyPy stuff. Yeah. Like these. I'm surprised PyUpgrade has some. Interesting. Well, that's why we're adding the setting. Fix it. But yeah, the things that would have failed have already failed. This one I'm surprised by. Because there's not much code in here. I guess there's 3 ignores. Interesting. Alright, well there's the prediction. There's the points, Coder Snacks. Congratulations on your giant windfall there. Less than 7. Complete prediction. Whenever I'm good giving my babbies to Coder Snacks. Yeah, to be fair, most of the points are from DDelsp. So, yeah. Yeah. Alright, so now I gotta fix all these. Well, actually, let's do a pass where we just merge the ones that are done. I think most of these green checks are the ones that are just pre-commit and don't have other CI, because pre-commit CI can keep up with this rapid fire load, but Azure Pipelines, GitHub Actions can't. Can't handle my PRs. Okay. Merge. We're gonna zoom out so that I can click button faster. Yeah, clicking that button. Definitely not getting banned from GitHub. That button moved on me. See, it wouldn't be an auto update day without me clicking the merge button 100 times, right? Even though I only got 3 auto update PRs today because none of the things that I use got merged. Wait, what the fuck? Why is this here? Oh, we've wrapped around. Oh, wait. Oh, that was weird. Okay, so that merged most of them. What is this? What are you mad about? Oh, this deployed. Let's see. Oh, that means I got another email. Dang it. Okay, so now we're down to... Oh, we got some more to do here. The problem with merging all these is it makes all the other ones slower. Travis CI is still having an outage. Yeah, as far as I'm concerned, Travis CI is a permanent outage. Don't use that shit. Use something better. Literally anything else. Hell, even GitLab is better than Travis CI at this point. The answer says I closed the window, which was open for 2 hours, 5 minutes ago, and the temperature already went up by 2 degrees in here. Damn heat waves. Oh no. Oh no. That sucks. Okay, so let's do the ones that fail. Alright, so Babby is the first one. Ace2/Babby. Brian Pants! Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you're doing well. What happened to Travis? They got bought by a company, and I mean, I was like, yeah, there's no way. There's no way they're gonna stick around and continue to be a free CI system. And sure as shit, they have finally cut out the free tier for the most part, or at least made it so unusable that no one in their right mind would use it. Move, unused type, ignore. Okay. DL says it's still our only option for cost reasons at this point. We got in on a 5 executor system before they went to per minute charging. Oh, that's cool. When would GHA not be sufficient? The one thing that Travis has that no other provider has right now is other CPU architectures. So they still have that going for them. It's my phone buzzing again. Must be the dick sword. Our build takes like an hour, so per minute is cost per... Yeah, holy shit. 808. How does it know? Wait, what? Uh... Any. Okay, so that tells me that that instead of this getting better, the stubs got worse. Surprise. Oh, you know what it is? I bet that type ignore is... Yeah, okay, so the other type ignore is causing it to be any. Got it. Okay, so it didn't actually fix it. Just removed one of the type ignores. I understand. Who's barking again? My type error any fixed. Yeah, exactly. That's basically what type ignore is. Okay, so fix that one. Then we gotta do reorder Python imports, probably a similar bug. Reorder Python imports, which is frustratingly the only repository of mine that's underscores. I don't remember why I haven't fixed it yet. I don't remember what annoying thing. I ran into something annoying last time. I think I tried it. But I can't remember. So I'm probably going to try it again and probably hit the same thing again. That took a long time. Oh, yes. I fixed this, which is neato. And I think I fixed this one as well. Oh, apparently not. That one we still need, I guess. 21. This one is unused. Interesting. And 49. This one I patched. Okay. Yeah. Oops, that should be pluralized. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay. And then the last one is setup tools Golang. What are our errors here? 62, 184, and 185. 62. Apparently I fixed this one as well? Question mark? Yes. Cool. Bloop. And then 183 should be off by 1. I fixed this one as well. Looks like it. Sweet. Thank you, past me. DL says, you know what, suit out and then go to bed. I woke up exhausted today, never recovered. Have a good night. Sounds good. I'll see you around. Thank you for stopping by. Unused type ignores. Sick. The other server says I have an issue with the latest Flask in MyPy. Download name is the new argument name, but the stubs have the old attachment name, so I added Flask as dependency, but apparently when using this together with types all, the stubs are more powerful than the Flask installation. That's annoying. Oh, that's really annoying. Oh, I don't know what you're gonna do about that. I feel like you have to do all or nothing with that. So if you add Flask, you have to drop types all. Yeah, stubs are preferred over the actual module, which seems contrary to their migration strategy, but whatever. I'm not running the project, so I don't really get a say in it. And I don't care enough to tell them to do it a different way because they're not going to listen to me anyway. So I don't even know why I'm mumbling about it. Doesn't matter. Literally doesn't matter. Okay, let's merge these ones. Zoom out again so I can click easier. And then I think all we'll have to do is wait for those last 4 to build. This has actually gone through pretty quickly. I feel like on auto update day we spent a lot more time. Then again, I probably type check less code. Oh. Oh, I don't have a settings tab because this isn't my repo. It also didn't run the test, did it? Why not? Are you on Travis CI still? Oh, shit. Lol. That's why I didn't run the test. Let me make sure that that actually passed. Oh, old versions of everything. The only way is to manually add all types star. At least they are easy to find with your setup.cfg. Yeah, that's true. Make sure it's not just ignoring this. Well, that's good. Got a few more that are done here. And we have the 4 that failed back here, of course. And these ones, well, this build is slow, which backs up these other 2, which makes sense. Zoom back in. Chat can read. All right, I'm gonna let those build. Oh, and this means I get to check something off of my list, right? Hmm. Hmm. The Sticks of Butter website. Where is it on the list? Oh, is it really not on here? Oh, here we go. Yeah, we were not going to do this. Well, we were going to do that, but now we're not going to do that. Hmm. This would be cool, but a lot of work. Oh, I really want to learn how my plugins work, but I've not done that yet. Cool. Well then, I think it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter stream today. Wait, why did this one finish before these 2? Confused? Visible confusion? Maybe it has fewer jobs or something? I don't know. Oh, let's see what damage it did to my profile. I should have a nice dark square for today. Yeah, look at that. 213 contributions. I mean, if you look at this, it's pretty consistent with my Mondays, at least. Cheater? I mean, I used code that I wrote to write code that I wrote. The answer says, is the pre-commit action rewrite even a thing anymore? Oh, was that on the list? Yeah, because that's abandonware. Well, not really abandonware. It's maintenance only. I'm not going to rewrite it at any point in time. This also doesn't work anymore. There may come a time where I do this, because I'm pretty sure the pushing action doesn't work anymore. And if it's really easy to simplify down to like 4 lines, I'll just do that. It is really fucking annoying because the action is implemented in JavaScript, and so I get this depend about garbage. That's like basically most of the, yeah, like the 3rd highest contributor behind me and frequency I is dependabot being obnoxious, which is not listed in here, but yeah, it's just kind of annoying. I wonder if I click this button again. Oh no, that's not what I wanted. If I click this button again, if it'll update. Last time I clicked it, it was like, we can't do this because of Webpack. Yeah. Nothing I can do about it. Oh, wait. See, the button works this time. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, you're right, Angelina Eggs. I slightly cheated to generate all my pull requests. Oh. Oh. Well, that's interesting. I must have had like a really fucking depressed day last week. Makes sense. We skipped a day. We skipped a day, chat. I did literally nothing on GitHub last Thursday. That is quite unusual. Depending on simultaneously rebasing multiple PRs will run into merge conflicts, will trigger another rebase, and yet oh yeah. Dependabot is kind of it seems like it would be a good idea, but yeah, it failed again. Okay, cool. Whatever. Fuck it. You had another day a couple months ago? You mean back in August? Are you talking about if so there might be it might look different here. Where I only have private contributions. No. Looks about the same. The numbers are slightly different, different by 1200, but yeah. This was the last one, August 30th. Makes sense. Hintbong only needs to write a coverage hosting and a new dependabot, which only creates one PR. Yeah. If I had a situation where I had guaranteed funding, I would just fucking do it. But I don't want to. I don't want to invest another year and then not have guaranteed funding. You know, I would like to have a sustainable income, and not something where it's like, man, I hope people use this after I build it. Oh, I still need to do this. Oh, I have so much shit I need to do. I probably shouldn't be streaming. I should probably go do shit instead. Not just open source stuff, but like real life stuff. But I need to do my yearly or bi-yearly password rotation thing again. Self-host Git? No, I don't want to do that either. I actually used to run my own Git server back in the day. It was all right. It got the job done. I would say it was good by any standards, but it worked at least. Oh, let's see how far back these are in the queue. Where's the... Does it not tell you anymore? It used to tell you... Oh, I'm not logged in. And we've learned that Microsoft is full of fuckery and will show my phone number in plain text during their login flow. And they still haven't fixed that. And they're still claiming it's my fault. Somehow. I don't know how it could possibly be my fault. I gotta click this button. Yeah, sorry, just running my 12-step login. Because now it should tell me how far back it is. 64. Pretty far back. How much stuff do you actually take to Michigan? So as much fits in the truck. I'm trying to get rid of a bunch of furniture, mostly because that's going to take the most space and is going to be the easiest to replace and is the least likely that I want to keep. So I'm currently trying to sell stuff on Marketplace. Somebody tried to scam me the other day. It's actually like kind of a clever scam, to be honest. The show PII. Don't. Oh no, yeah, it totally does. Just my address. I don't want to do that. So I'll just read it to you. This person named Karen says, "Is it still available?" And I said, "Yes. I'd like to pick it up today at 8:30 p.m." They did 8:30 p.m., which was kind of my first tip off that I was like, this person is not in the U.S. Like I was already a little bit suspicious there, but not suspicious enough. Like they could have just been foreign or whatever. So I said, "Works for me. I'm at," and then I told them my address, and then they said, "Okay, I have cash and Venmo. Which payment method you prefer?" And here I was like, okay, well, maybe they're just ESL, but still not suspicious enough. And then I was like, cash is easiest for me. I don't think I have Venmo anymore. I have Cash App as well. And I said, okay, may I get your cell num space burr? which I presume they're doing to get around fraud detection. Then 2 periods. I will call you before come. And then I still didn't like catch on that this was potentially a scam, so I gave them my phone number. And then they're like, okay, I will send you a quick verification code with a space between CO and DE to verify your ad real or not. You will just see the code and then send to me. May I send the code? So they were trying to use my phone number to reset my password on my account. And then get me to tell them the reset code. So it was clever. It was clever. Fortunately, I'm not fucking stupid, so I didn't fall for it. But I could see how a lot of people would fall for it. And then the interesting thing is Facebook's report fraud button is broken. So I went to report them. And it didn't let me. So that concerns me as well. But fucking Karen, yeah. Which account? My Facebook account, presumably. But I don't know. They didn't actually send a code, so I don't know what account they were trying to reset. Because it clearly didn't work. So yeah. Who knows? But look out for scams. People are shitty. That's how Facebook got away from letting the Russians buy ads for so long no one could report it. I mean, I would believe it. Like the report button's broken. Precisely. But yeah. Anyway, I think that's gonna wrap us up for today. Let me do my spiel, and then we'll hopefully find someone to send you off to. My name is Anthony. You can check out my previous content at YouTube. That is youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode, where I upload daily educational videos. Oh, I gotta upload all those before I turn on my computer. As well as previous streams. So check that out, youtube.com/AnthonyWritesCode. I normally stream. Well, my stream schedule is going to change, so look out for that. We're going to be skipping this weekend stream and next Monday's stream because I'm going to be moving. So next stream I will be in a new place, assuming I get all my internet and all that other shit set up. Yeah, so should be exciting. New place, new whatever. What is the link to your GitHub wiki with the YouTube video list? If you do explains, you can get to that one there. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to read.